How to make Gemini explain code in plain English. No tech background needed. First, open the Gemini app on your phone and tap the chat bar at the bottom to bring up your keyboard. Now, type something like, "Explain this code in plain English." And then paste in the code you want explained. It could be something you found online, something a developer sent you, or code you're trying to learn from. Then hit send. Gemini will break it down in simple, everyday language, telling you exactly what the code does step by step, without all the technical jargon. If you want even more detail, just follow up in the same chat. Say something like, "Can you explain it even simpler?" Or, "What does this specific part do?" And Gemini will go deeper right away. It's a great way to learn what's going on under the hood without having to Google every single line. And that's it. Getting a plain English explanation of any code with Gemini takes just seconds. Perfect for beginners and non-developers alike.